Morning guys, Big Dog Bassin here, out on the A1 site again. Have my first NE Bassin tournament. A little windy today, so it's going to be interesting. 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. Let's see, I landed 5 fish here last time. Let's see if I can't do the same. Maybe a little more quality fish. Get our 3 fish limit. See if we take home some money. Stay tuned guys. What we doing guys? All right, first fish of the day. Solid fish, check them out. 2 pounds, 13 ounces, 17¼ inches. Good first fish, great keeper. Let's keep fishing. So as you can see, pretty windy out here. It's a little rough. Tied off to some standard timber right now. Just trying to get some casts in. I'm gonna have to relocate, see if I can't get over to behind that point. Try and get blocked from a little bit of the wind, but there's so much timber in the water. I'm already hitting my prop like 5 times, but let's keep fishing. What we doing guys? Look at this little guy. Not a keeper, but hey, got a bite. So, one time, I ate a whole chicken. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Take a bite of the big swim bait. Even though it's not very big. I get wind, huh? A little rough. Look at those white caps. Yeehaw. Hey guys, here we go. Fish number 3, second keeper. Good fish. 2 pounds, 13 ounces, 17½ inches. Pretty happy with that, guys. Let's keep fishing. All right. So hope you enjoyed that. Some decent footage. Caught some good fish there. I was definitely pretty happy with the catches. Windy AF. As you can see from some of the videos, some of the footage I took, and it's windy. Tied off the logs most of the time. It's stump pond, as they called it, and there's a lot of wood. So it's definitely some potential bass. I caught a couple good fish there, pretty happy. In case you missed out on the previous video, I wanted to show you here kind of the setup I have been using the past 3 weeks. I got this 3.75 inch. This is a Strike King Rage Swimmer. And this is a twist lock on the end here. Love that, it's twisted on. And so this blade, this underspin we got going, this is a little bigger than I had been using in the past. And the results have been excellent. Highly recommended. Just go with a little bigger. You get a little bigger thump there, and you can roll it back a little bit slower. And the nice thing about these Strike King Rage Swimmers is this tail will paddle at a low retrieve rate, or low retrieve speed, which is great. So you can fit a little bit slower. The fish aren't as active. And it's been working well. For the tournament, came in second out of 2. This was my first NE Bassin Kayak Small Boat Division tournament. It's actually for the Central Mass Division. I am the director for that. This was my first year. It was my first year doing tournaments as well. But they weren't going to have the Central Mass Division unless we had a new director. So decided to fill that role just so we can get some tournaments going. Ended up, so I had 17¼ and a 17½ inch for my keepers. My third keeper got off a foot from the boat. A little disappointing. It was probably about a 2-pounder, so it would put me in contention. The other guy, I would have had the lunker until about 20 minutes left. He pulls in his 18¼ inch bass. I watched him catch it. Like, So he took first and he took the lunker. I still had a great time, and I'm just glad we were able to stick that one out with the wind. So both him and I were thinking mid-morning, like, this is rough. This is real rough. Should we, just call it? Or I'm glad we didn't, though. It went well. Another one coming up, May 28th. Long Pond in Rutland. Looking forward to it. Should be fun. This is Peace Out from Big Dog Bassin.